Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new bill to the My Home Bills application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the plus icon to add your first bill at the top. Select the category, select the due date. As you can see, you can add the notification, and a repeat function can be turned on as well. You should type in the amount of your bill, and then you can add a note to it. Take a bill and a receipt photo if you want to, so tap on it and you can select whether you want to insert an image of the bill or the payment receipt. You can add the file, select a picture from your gallery, or you can also shoot it with your phone. After adding all these details, tap on the checkmark icon at the top of the screen in the right side corner. So as you can see, it has been added to the My Bills section. So if you click on it, you will be able to delete it if you have paid it or you don't want to see it in your section by tapping on the delete button. Click on the minus icon and tap on the trash bin icon, so it has been removed. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.